So this is the Julius Nyerere International Airport, which is the largest airport in Tanzania. The airport is located 12 kilometers away from Dar es Salaam city or Dar, and it was previously known as Dar es Salaam International Airport. However, in 2006, it was renamed in honor of Julius Nyerere, the first president of Tanzania. I can't begin to tell you how beautiful and clean this airport looks. I really hope the video does justice to the beauty I was looking at in this place. And some of the pictures I initially took, which I would insert in the video, initially looked like 3D renderings. This is just how beautiful and clean and green the place looks like. Oh, sunlight! Oh my god! Look at this glowing snow! Look at this glowing skin! Oh my god! Really beautiful and huge, so much greenery, and the place is extremely, and I mean extremely clean. Extremely. They banned the use of single-use plastic, so that's good. I believe I had a 6-hour layover, so I went to the washroom to freshen up and take some bathroom pictures and also get some food from the restaurants that you're just looking at now. So after eating, I tried to use my time wisely to try to respond to some emails and also start editing the videos. But this didn't work out well. I was just applying lip gloss and I was bored. So I eventually just closed my laptop and went on to explore more of the airport. So we were on our way from Dar es Salaam to Zanzibar, which is about 25 to 30 minutes flight. So I will also show you how the Zanzibar airport looks like. Although I didn't really take a lot of videos and pictures, it's pretty small as compared to the Julius Nyerere airport. Plus, we had lights out in the airport whilst we were coming back from Zanzibar to Dar es Salaam the next day. Lights out in Zanzibar. Zanzibar. So this is the Abid Amani Karume International Airport, simply put, the Zanzibar airport. And this was also named after the first president of the Zanzibar island. If you're coming to Zanzibar to tour, it will be good to scan the QR code to download the Zanzibar tourism app. It provides information about hotels, tourist sites, and prices, I think so. Another thing I found really interesting was this poster detailing the dress code for tourists in Zanzibar. And this entails wearing loose-fitting, non-transparent clothing. Shirts should cover the shoulders and upper arms. Not wearing bikini or tank tops when you're not on the beach, and going topless or nude is extremely offensive. And from sources, depending on the severity of your offense, you can pay up to $700 for your offense. So beware. So we finally found a taxi who was supposed to pick us up from the airport. This guy doesn't speak English, only Swahili and Arabic. And we don't speak any of those either. We ended up getting lost in the middle of the night around 12 a.m. Actually, this will be a story time for another video. But the good thing is he provided us with some entertainment to wash away our frustrations. So that was actually really good.